One thing that I would tell you is that could really impact your trip. Like when you come home, if you go, how was your trip? You're going to come back with good photos. I don't think coming back with good photos is going to be your issue. I think what's going to really determine whether you have fun or not is how much of a burden your photography becomes. And by that I mean, if you take too much gear, if you take too much gear with you, you're not going to be happy with the experience. And I've seen this on my workshops when I tell people, don't bring too much gear. And these guys bring these huge backpacks, and day one, they're like, man, I want to make sure I have everything. Day two, they're hating it. By day three, they don't even take their backpacks anymore because they brought so much stuff. And so what I would tell you is when you're packing for your trip, whatever your smallest camera bag is, take that. Because if you take a big bag, you know what you'll do? Well, I got room for another lens. I'll just bring another lens. I'll just, and you're carrying this crap everywhere. Now, we'll tell you what I did for Prague. So for Prague, I took a rolling bag with 4 wheels. By the way, get a 4-wheel bag. A 4-wheel bag is just the best. I can literally move my bag through the airport with my pinky. I can just push it and it will roll and glide effortlessly. It's amazing. When I have a 2-roller, you feel like you're moving it's better than carrying it, but it's heavy. So I used a 4-wheeler. And then when I open my bag in my hotel room and I open it up, you know what's inside of my bag? A smaller bag.
Yeah.
A sling bag, a little think tank sling bag. And then I just take what I'm going to use for that day. And Eric's doing the same thing. We were talking about this today. He does the same thing. He takes his big bag with the stuff that he thinks I might need. But then when he's going out that day, he packs the little bag.
Yeah, that's exactly what I do. I take, because I have different shoots that I'm doing. A Milky Way, different equipment than do a twilight or going out during the day or shooting wildlife. So you take one bag. It's got everything that you think you would need on that trip. And then you're packing a small bag in order to just target what you're accomplishing. Like if I'm going to shoot the Milky Way, grab my Milky Way gear. Maybe if I'm going to do like twilight right after, grab stuff that I would know for that. And that's all I'm taking. I'm not taking everything.
And neither
it really does help.
I'm telling you, it really does make a difference. I love the rolling bag because I can take a little extra stuff that I might need, but I love rolling it. Like, I don't like carrying a bag. I don't like carrying a backpack because it gets heavy. All that stuff gets heavy. This way I roll into my hotel room, but I will tell you this. Any gear that does not go with me goes locked in the room safe. Make sure that your room has a safe in it. Make sure that there is a safe. When you're booking your rooms, say, I need a safe.